energy that you hear water vibrates moves back and forth very quickly. Picture how light or low a sound is volume, how loud or soft a sound is. Sound is made uh, when water vortex or moves back and sound very quickly. This vibrating air is carried a sound wave. Hearing of scientists discovered different types of matter. Sounds go further and faster in water than they do in air. Thus, air is water. This thing sound was moved in a distance from a sound, but some sound waves can be made to go a one direction. On it is a sound that replaces when sound wave goes off.